Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can go into private stealth mode on Midjourney, which means how you guys can go into Midjourney and make your own image, not in this public area, because over here you're constantly getting new message again and again and again and again, so you might get a bit distracted. And with private room you guys can get a separate chat option where you guys can use to create your own image without any disturbance. But you have to bear in mind it is for premium users only, so if you don't have the premium version of Midjourney you cannot do that. But there is a way through which you guys can use Midjourney in a private way without having to pay for it, and I will tell you the way in the later part of the video. But before that, let me show you how you guys can get your own private Midjourney. Alright, and before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. So for all the premium user of Midjourney, just open Midjourney on your Discord, go to Midjourney server and choose newbies. You can go into any newbies you want, and over here where it says message, click on it and write /PRI, and you can see the private option. Click on it and it says toggle stealth mode. Click on enter and your private mode should be turned on. But since I don't have the premium version, it says buy it first, so I have to buy it by going on this link. Alright, but if you had the premium it would have been turned on. So that's how you guys can go into private mode. Now for those people who don't have the premium version, you have to create your own Discord server and add Midjourney to that Discord server. That's the only way you guys can do it. And I've also created a video on how you guys can add Midjourney bot to your Discord server. You can watch that video. And that's it for today's video. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, and make sure to hit that subscribe button to our channel One to Step as well for future videos just like this.